Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about Python decorators. It's the second video. Last time also we talked about Python decorators only, but under this topic we are going to cover three more subtopics here. Multiple decorators on single function, decorators decorators with parameters, single decorator on multiple functions. So we'll discuss it one by one today. So to understand this, but you have to visit my previous video, that is Python decorator. So let's start. We already done few things in the previous video, okay, like we have done function without parameters and function with parameters. So today we'll do something more. Okay, so let's first of all talk about multiple decorators on single function. Okay, so let's take one example, like I am defining one function over here, uppercase, okay, uppercase, and I'll write here func, then one more function I am defining here because we already discussed it many times. So you simply see and understand what I am trying to do here. I am taking the string is equal to func. Okay, next I say return string 1 is equal to upper. Okay, I want to return the string 1, that is upper. Okay, done. Now I have to return inner. Many times we have done this, Now next what I am going to do, I am going to use another function, that is split. I think now you must have understood what I am doing. First I have used here uppercase, second I am using here split method to split the string. So let's see, split string, okay, and then okay, fine. Now let's take string 2 is equal to func, okay, return same string 2 dot split. Okay, so why I'm using split? For splitting the string. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll say here I have to define one more function over here. Yes, def, I'll say wrapper. Okay, under this we'll do all these things. Okay, so let me give one tab to this. Okay, now I will return this wrapper. Okay, and after that what we'll do to decorate, I'll tell you, just a minute. Let me define one more function, that is simple. Okay, and return, what is to be returned? Hello friends. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. After that, okay, what I'll say, after that print, what is to be printed? Yes, simple, this function. Now what I have to do, I want to simply decorate my function, this one. Okay, this. Okay, clear? So for that, what I want to do, basically I want to convert it into uppercase letters and I want to split my string. Okay, so what I will do, so let's use here split. Okay, split string, fine. So I'll say here then uppercase. Okay, fine. So what is this? I hope now this is clear to you. They are the decorators. Yes, they'll perform the function of, they are going to decorate my program, this program. Okay, so what they are going to do, if I will run this, let's see. First of all, yes, of course, it is splitting my string into list form and also converting it into the uppercase, upper letters. Huh? Acha, what if I interchange? Okay, okay, one thing more. First, it will apply the upper decorator on it. Okay, first it will apply this upper decorator on it. Then after that, it will apply this split decorator. Okay, if just suppose I interchange it. Okay, just suppose I'll copy this and I'll simply interchange the positions. Then what will happen? Let's run and see. Oh, it is raising an error. Okay, if I will interchange the order, we will get an error, because when it will split the string, we will get the splitted string in the list form, and we know we cannot apply split method on list. That's why it is raising an error. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Fine. So what we have done? I think this example is simply clear. Okay, now let's take another example. Okay, I'll simply copy this only. Okay, Control C and comment it out. Okay, so let's write here example 2. Okay, okay, now paste. Fine, so there are few changes that I have to do. What I want here, okay, this I'll simply change this portion. Okay, this portion. Okay, I'll write here return first. Okay, function. Okay, second, this one, and I say return inner. Done. Okay, now I am using split functions. Okay, great. Wrapper. Here also, instead of writing this, if I use this one, Control C, and let me paste it here. I'll write here second. Okay, fine. I think this is done. Return wrapper. Okay, now I'll use return wrapper. Great. Uppercase. Fine. Split string. Okay, it's done. Simple. Return hello friends. Fine, exactly. Okay, so what will happen now? First, second, hello friends. Okay, let's run it and then see the output. Okay, it is saying first hello friends, then second. Okay, first hello friends, then second. Okay, so let's see. It is not showing the okay, first here. Let me give a space here too. Okay, great. So hello, Control S. It's better. First, then hello friends, then second. Okay, so what is happening? What is happening here? First, this will be applied. This one split. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, fine. Great. First, second, hello friends, second. Okay, this one is printed second, and here first second will be printed here. Fine. So look here. So what is happening now here? First of all, this will be applied. This one, this decorator will be applied. Then after that, this second one decorator will be applied to the given string. Okay, so this is a second example that we are using the multiple decorator on single function. Multiple means using here these two decorators to decorate our program. Yes. Okay, great. So let's move to the next one. Okay, fine. Let's move forward. Great. Now decorators with parameters. Okay, next is decorators with parameters. What we have to do? Yes, let's paste. Oh, not this one. Let me paste the upper one only. We'll use the same to avoid the confusion. Okay, Control C, and here let me write down paste. Okay, so I'll write here what we are going to do now. Decorators with parameters. Fine. So let me give one more space. Okay, let's me uncomment. Okay. Oh, fine. Okay, indentation. There is some problem. Function. Okay. Uppercase. Fine. Okay. Is there something that I am missing? No. So let us start. Fine. So here I am going to use now decorators contain the parameter. Means here these are the decorators that I am using. They will also have the parameters here. Okay. So what is to be done? Same example. Let's take. Okay. Let me shift. Fine. Okay, so same example I am taking over here. Uppercase, define inner. Okay, I'll replace this with another thing. I'll simply write here. Okay, what I have to do here now? I don't need all this. I will erase. Okay, simple. Fine, I need that. And also I don't need this one. Okay, great. Fine. Now what I have to do? See, first of all we will take the single function. Okay, then if I want to use the parameter in the decorator function, I need to take the function. So what I will do, I will define this one inside the another function. Okay, so let me take one function here. Define, just suppose I give it a name, outer. Okay, if I'll give, so if I write here e expression, the function that I was using there. Okay, this one. Okay, expr. Okay, great. Fine. So one tab, another tab. Great. Here also one tab. Okay, it's saying okay, great. Fine. So it's done. But what is to be done now? I am repeating my line. If I have to use the decorators with parameter, then what I have to do? I have to take the function, one function, and inside that function I have to define this function. Okay, if you want to define the function parameters with decorator, then we have to take a function. Inside that we have to decorate our function. Okay, I hope you are getting this. This is simple as I am speaking over here. Fine. So next is, if I say, okay, it's done. Now what? You will say, ma'am, we have not used the decorator here. Oh, yes, of course, we have to use this. So we'll replace this uppercase with what? With what? Yes, any guess? Any guess? This outer one. Okay, so I'll say here outer, and the string, I say happy learning. Yes, okay, so this is happy learning, or hello friends, happy learning. Okay, great. So let's run, save, and let's run and check the output. What it says, it is saying define simple. Okay, where this one? Okay, yes, I have not returned this function. Basically, return upper case. I have not returned this function. Then how it will give me the output? Definitely it is going to raise the error. Now let's run. Okay, it's saying happy learning, happy learning. Okay, let me give the space over here. Happy learning friends. I'll change this. Control S. Let's run. Friends, happy learning. Okay, friends spellings are, no problems. When we learn, we used to make the little mistakes. Okay. Friends, happy learning. Great. So what is happening? I think you have understood. I have used the parameter with my decorator. Okay, so it is what it is doing. Firstly, it is running this. Okay, then it is displaying this happy learning. I hope this is clear to you. Also the second topic. Okay, so I am speaking my line, repeating my line again. If you need to define the decorator with parameter, you have to take the function, this function, okay, that I have taken. Then you have to define your function, decorator function inside that. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you. Now you want to see one more example. Is it so? You want to have? Okay, now let's move to the third part, that was single decorator on multiple function. Okay, one decorator on multiple functions. Yes, let's see. Okay, so topic is, let's start from here. Let's define one more function, divide. Okay, one. Fine, I'll take two parameters here, x comma y. Fine. Array, why I am using this? Array bhai, beta minute. Okay, fine. So I say return what? X divided by y. Fine. Then I'll take another function, def divide second one. Okay, so here I take three parameters. Here I take three parameters with me. Fine. Now next again I say return what? X comma y comma z. Let me change this. We are bored with ABC now. Let's switch to x comma y comma z. Okay, now Next, simple, our favorite command, print divide 1. Let's give the input. Okay, I'll say here 20 comma 5. Fine. Let me copy, let me paste, and I will say here 2. Okay, and I have to give here 20 comma 5 comma 4. Okay, so that we can divide it. Fine. If I will run this, Control S, let's see the output. What it says, it is giving me the output. It is saying 20 divided by 5, it is 4, and x divided by y, 4 divided by 4, that is 1. It is giving me the output. But what if any of the argument becomes 0? Means you didn't understood. Let's see, I'll show you. If suppose I say it's 0, will it work? Let's check. No, it is raising an error, division by 0. Fine. Okay, what if let it be 4. If I change this 4, I'll make it 0. Control S. Now again it is raising an error, division by 0. Oh my god. So that means if any of the value becomes 0, it will raise the divide by 0 error. Fine. But if I change this one with 0, will it raise the error? Will it raise the error? Let's check. No, it is saying 0 answer. That means it is saying this first argument can be 0, but the other second, third, fourth, any number of arguments that you are using after first, they should not be 0. Okay, if suppose same happens here, just suppose if same happens here, again it is raising an error. Okay, I hope this is clear to you now. Great. Now one more thing that I want to tell you now. Let's do the editing over here only. If okay, let me comment it out. I'll take another example now to mix this. Okay, great. So I take dev decorator. Okay, func as usual, then def inner this, then I say list. Okay, I'll take the empty list first of all. Okay, wait. Okay, then why I'm taking the empty list over here? Can you tell me? Let me copy the upper one so that I can make you more clear. Okay, wait. Fine. Okay, so I am using the same upper one example. Okay, so what I have to do now, what was the last one? The last one was we supposed to read that single decorator on multiple functions. Okay, so here let's see how can we do. Div deco function. Okay, so I have defined this. I am taking first of all empty list. Okay, list, because I have to use the more than one parameters, like here I am using 2 parameters, here I am using 3 parameters. So we have read in previous videos quarks and args, if you remember. So here I am going to use that args. Now you will say, ma'am, we don't remember that, huh? Args is basically to use the multiple arguments, means to use the non-keyword arguments. If you want to learn it in detail, go check my playlist and have a look. Okay, fine. So I'll take here this one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, list, empty list I am taking. So I am saying here list 1, another list, args. Okay, this one. So what is the use of this? What it will say? So first parameter index will be 0 over here, not 0 because I am using it empty. But if I'll write here this one, then okay, then it will say the first parameter index will be 0. So first of all, what I have done, I simply taken the empty list, then I have taken list 1 is equal to args, then we'll give the list of the parameters. Okay, it will give the list of the parameters, this one. Fine, this will give the list of the parameters. But why I am using this? I am using this to check which value becomes 0, second, third, fourth value. Here the values, which value is becoming 0. For that purpose I am using this one. Okay, so let me give the tab. Great, fine. So this is done. Now for doing this, of course I have to use the for loop. Okay, so I'll say here for I in list, the simple one, I in list 1, if I is equal to 0, okay, then what is to be done? Return. What is to be returned by it? Return, hey, give me proper input. Hey, it will say, hey, give me proper input here. Okay, so like this, you know, if we'll enjoy side by side, then you will take more interest, while doing it. Okay, so let's return. Okay, so here I am going to return function that args. Return, what is to be returned here now? Return function that is args. Okay, then after that it has to return inner. Okay, I hope this is done. Okay, so this case, this for, why I am using this for? This is just to check which parameter, second, third, fourth, fifth, which parameter is becoming the 0. Okay, to simply check this. Okay, let me bring it up, little up. Okay, so to decorate it, what I'll do, I'll say here div1, what is to be done? div1 deco. Okay, div1 deco. Wait, div, here I have written div, so I have to write here the same. Okay, and the same thing, control C, I'll paste it here. Okay, control S, and let's check. It is saying 4 1. Okay, great. So what is the meaning of this? Means these two should not be 0. They are giving the values. Fine. Okay, so next, this is how we can we can check the which value is becoming 0 by using for loop. Okay, so this inner parameter, this one, what is the job of this? This parameter after first argument, okay, clear, after first argument no other arguments should not be 0. They should not be 0 basically. Okay, so this is how we can simply use the single decorator on multiple functions to decorate it. We have not done anything special. I have used the previous code only. Okay, and simply I'm checking my which argument is becoming 0. Okay, what if, okay, wait a minute, if I change this, I'll show you something. If I'll say 0, control S, let's see what it says. It is saying first it is executing, it is dividing this 20 by 5, and in second, because second is becoming 0, it is saying, hey, give me proper input. Okay, clear. If suppose I'll make it 0 and 5, then yes, again it will say give me the proper input. I hope this video is clear to you, and see you in the next video. Next part of Python Decorators, we'll discuss few more things. See you soon. Take care. Bye. Stay safe.